বাজে কথা বলি না।
ये आसान है।
मॉडल 2.4 की रेडी यार।
Hello and welcome. This is News Now. I'm Shabani Kharat. Now, voting is underway in 152 seats of West Bengal in phase 1 of the election. West Bengal has recorded 78.77% polling percentage till 3 p.m. This election has been marred by sporadic instances of violence. BJP candidate Agni Mitra Paul's car was pelted with stones and its rear window panes were shattered near Rehmatnagar in her Asansol Dakshin Assembly constituency. In Dakshin Dinajpur, in fact, Kumarganj, the BJP alleged its candidate Suvendu Sarkar was assaulted by TMC supporters while on his way to the polling booth following reports of disturbances. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is monitoring the situation and Election Commission has also sought out a report on violence. Times Network's Ritita gets us more details.
Absolutely, you see the word of war. The tussle has already been laid out after a few instances of violence took place in West Bengal. Now, Shubhendu Sarkar, he was also moved and he was rather slapped by a lot of men who were there on the field. Irrespective of his security being present there, even the conversation we get to understand that he blames this to be the Trinamool workers. However, we are not clear on the part about who these men were because as of now, Election Commission has only asked for a report from the very area, but it is not clear about their identities. But this men had get out Shubhankar Sarkar. They had slapped him, beaten him up, and then later they were also seen to be running away after the CAPF took an action to it. But this is not one instance of Shubhendu Sarkar, but in various other districts also, from Asansol to Kuch Bihar to Malda to and Murshidabad specifically, we see that violence have taken its shape, even though if not so turbulent, but yes, violence have taken a shape in West Bengal. But as a lot of leaders have been stating, from Trinamool Congress even to Bharatiya Janata Party, we have been seeing and hearing that this is Bengal's one of the most violent, free and calm kind of election which is happening, and given to it the steps that the Election Commission especially has taken. The QRT system is so fast that police and the officials are reaching at the spot soon as they get an information of, and from the war room itself, observation is going on when as fast as possible. Reports are being also wanted from the violent sides.
Right.